it's me, your annoying girl again, Deborah. Today, I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S20. Sorry, wrong. Cut. Today, I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, aka Fan Edition. So what's the difference and what Samsung has upgraded or improved on this phone? Well, I have discovered more than 5 differences between this phone and the S20. Let's check it out with me. First, the phone is available in 5 color variants, which are Cloud, Lavender, Mint, Navy, White, and Orange. This color made me think of cotton candy and macaron. But if you don't like the colorful variants, you may go with the Cloud Navy. In my opinion, it is easy to style your outfit, but it's kinda plain. By the way, the Cloud Red will only arrive on 22nd October. Personally, I will go for the Cloud Mint. As you can see, I'm wearing the same color outfit and it's so cute! The S20 FE is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and has a plastic body bag with matte finishing. That means the fingerprint scan won't stick on it. On the other hand, the S20 has a glossy finish that attracts fingerprint but uses a Corning Gorilla 6. So what's your choice? Look at the camera bump here. You can see the S20 camera bump is thicker than the S20 FE. Both phones feature a triple rear camera, but the S20 FE camera setup is a downgraded with 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, 12 megapixel wide-angle lens, 8 megapixel telephoto lens. In contrast, the S20 has a 64 megapixel telephoto lens. Maybe this is the reason why the S20 FE is cheaper than the S20. You can find a 32 megapixel front camera on the 6.5-inch flat Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display with 1080p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The front camera cutout is quite obvious right over here. Also, the refresh rate will not change automatically, but you can change it in the setting to either 60Hz or 120Hz. There's also an in-display fingerprint scanner, but it doesn't seem sensitive enough to detect, and I have to place my finger accurately. I suggest to use the face unlock because it's easier. When you scan, there's a block animation on it, which you may find it weird, but it's cool for me. Every inch counts, so the extra 0.3 inch gives you a more enjoyable viewing experience, especially when I watch the BTS video. Hey Samsung, can you do a S20 FE BTS edition? Hiya! If this is the BTS edition, it will be great, but this is more than enough for me now. Talking BTS all day all night? No worries, because the phone has been upgraded from 4000 mAh to 4500 mAh battery capacity. Maybe this is the reason why the S20 FE is a bit heavier than the S20. From 163 grams to 190 grams, but I think it is okay because a bigger battery is more important. Both devices have the same 25-watt fast charging, but the S20 FE box only has a 15-watt charging adapter, so you will need to buy an extra adapter. Besides that, it has a reverse charging feature too. Finally, Samsung implemented the Snapdragon SS5 chipset in Malaysia. I guess the fans are happier to hear this, right? The internal storage also upgraded to 256GB instead of 128GB. But if you think 256GB can't satisfy you, you may slot in a micro SD card that up to 1TB. To compare with the S20 FE is cheaper with a price tag of Rm 3.4K. It is also the latest smartphone from Samsung. What's more, you can also get a free clear standing cover while stock lasts. Cepat-cepat, tak pendapat. As for me, I won't mind buying this device because it has a Snapdragon SS5 chipset, big screen, and big battery. The only thing I don't like is the front camera. You can see the reflection right here. If you have a higher budget, you may consider S20 or S20 Ultra. Dear Army, do you wish for the S20 FE BTS edition? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah. Goodbye and don't miss me. Bye. Hello, can cut ready? Hello.
Okay,
Cut.